This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this password or pin or pattern on your Android tablet. So if you want to go ahead and just remove this, this is easy. Just go to the top right once you unlock it and then going down. This will be under biometrics and password right here. And then what we want to do is disable the lock screen password. So we can just go to this and then we can hit disable. Now we have to confirm our password or pattern. And then it should be disabled. It says no password set up. So if we go ahead and just turn this off and then turn it back on and swipe, now we can just access our tablet without typing in any kind of passwords or anything like that. So if we want to disable the swipe, I believe we can just go into here, screen lock type. We should be able to just try to get rid of that here. It doesn't look like I can get rid of the swipe. The swipe is on there by default. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.